Welcome back to another MedTech Snapshot, the one question, one answer medical device digest podcast. With me today is Ray Cohen. We're going to be diving into some interesting topics having to do with when should we look at an acquisition? Should it be an IPO versus M&A? We're also going to get into the business pivot, so stay tuned. Welcome to the podcast. Good to see you. It's been a while.
Thanks, Travis. Thanks for inviting me. I appreciate it.
Absolutely. So, all right, first question we're going to dive into here is looking at IPO versus acquisition. You've been through plenty of these, but tell me, when you're looking at that and you're building that strategy in when you're pre-commercial, what are some of the macro and microeconomic considerations you're kind of walking through to look at? Do you go IPO or do you look at the M&A route?
Sure. Well, I mean, the way you posed the question is you said pre-commercial. So, you're going to find that, companies in the medical device space are not going public if they're pre-commercial. The fact that Axonics was able to do it in October of 2018 is a unicorn situation. So I would say that those are far and few between. So if you ask the question in the context of, well, now you're generating revenue, right? Mm-hmm. And now the question would come up, which direction do you want to go? So I think that there is an appetite at the moment. The markets are open. There is an appetite for medical device deals. And as long as you've got, more of the traditional around 50 million or more revenue, you can do a successful IPO. Now, a lot of times companies, as they're considering doing that, would do what's called a market check, right? So they're going to, go out, contact a few of the strategic buyers that are out there and say, hey, company's fixing to go public. We may have talked before, maybe we haven't, but is this something you might be interested in taking a look at? And I think that's typically what is done. Now, having said that, if you want to ensure a return on investment for your investors, for yourself, for your colleagues and so forth, obviously executing a sale of the company is an immediate liquidity event. And so my bias would always be towards, if you can get the company sold, that's the route to go.